Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today we're breaking down two of the most talked about project management tools out there, Basecamp and Monday.com. So if you're running a small business, managing client work, or you're coordinating internal teams, this comparison is going to help you figure out which platform fits your workflow best. So first off, let's talk about what these platforms do. So Basecamp keeps things simple. It helps teams stay organized without extra stuff. Everything is in one place: messages, tasks, schedules, and files. You don't have to deal with anything complicated. Monday.com, on the other hand, focuses on customization and visual project tracking. It's super flexible and it lets you create workflows however you want. You can use boards, timelines, or automations to keep your projects running smoothly. So let's talk about the features now. Basecamp gives you a simple set of tools like message boards, to-dos, a shared schedule, file storage, and team chat. What makes it stand out is how it keeps all team communication in one place, so you don't have to jump between tools like Slack or Dropbox. It also has automatic check-ins, which helps you stay updated without having to schedule constant meetings. Monday.com works just a little bit differently. It uses boards that you can customize with columns for things like statuses, dates, or people, whatever fits your workflow. You can also switch between views like Kanban, Gantt, calendar, or workload tracking. So one great feature is its automations. You can set rules like move tasks to archive when they're done, or send a notification when the due date hits. Now, this saves you a ton of time. Next, let's talk about user experience. So Basecamp has a clean and simple interface. It's super easy to use, especially for non-technical teams who just want to jump in, work together, and move on. There's almost no learning curve, and setup is quick. On the other hand, Monday.com can feel just a little bit overwhelming at first, but once you figure it out, it's really powerful. The design is modern and full of visuals that help you track progress and manage bigger projects more easily. So when it comes to integrations, Monday.com is the clear winner. It connects with over 200 tools like Google Workspace, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. It also has a strong API and a marketplace to create advanced workflows. Basecamp, however, has fewer integration options. Most of them happen through Zapier or third-party tools, which might not work well for users with more complex needs. Now let's take a quick look at pricing. So Basecamp has 3 plans. The free plan lets you manage one project forever at no cost. The Plus plan is $15 per user per month, and the Pro Unlimited plan costs $299 if billed annually, or $349 if billed monthly for your whole organization with no per user fees. Now, Monday.com has 5 plans. The free plan supports up to 2 seats. Basic plan is $12 per seat per month. Standard is $14, Pro is $24, and the Enterprise plan is customized pricing. So which one should you choose? Well, if you want an all-in-one collaboration hub that's easy to use, then Basecamp is a great pick, especially for teams that prioritize communication and simplicity over technical control. But if your team needs flexibility, visual workflow management, and advanced automation, then Monday.com is the stronger, more scalable option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.